Hello everyone, welcome to EVS session. In a 135 page number, the exercise has given the put yes or no. The statement has given in the in front of box. You have to write the put yes, that is right, no, that is wrong. If the statement is right, put yes. If the statement is wrong, put no. First one, we drink dirty water. No. We drink dirty water, children. No. So because we can't drink the dirty water because they have a very dirty water, we can't drink that because it's harmful for our health. We fallen down sick, so we can't drink dirty water. So we drink dirty water, that is no. We can drink sea water, children. No. Even also we can drink sea water because the sea water contains, yesterday I told in last class, sea water contains greater proportion, that is salt and minerals, so it is also harmful for our health. So we fall down in sick, so we can't drink even also sea water. That is, answer is wrong. And we must drink lots of water. Yes, we must drink lots of water. Daily we have to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water, because then only we will active. Then we'll give the water gives us even also energy. So we must drink lots of water. The even children also drink lots of water. Next, plants need water to live. Is it plants need water, children? Yes. Is it plants are living things? Yes, plants are living things. So plants are need water. So plants need water to live. Yes, plants need water to live, to grow. That is right. That is yes. Next, animals will die without water. Yes, animals will die absolutely, because animals will die without water. Even also without water, plants also die. Even also human beings also not surviving the life without water. So all living things need water. Understood? Animals will die without water. Yes. Next, we must save every drop of water. We must save every drop of water. Yes, a single drop of water is very very precious. So do not waste the water. There is no word only. If the water is not there, there is no word only. So you and me and also need water. So we have to save every drop of water. Wherever you go, the tap will be on. That is, you have to your duty, that is the tap. You should tap the off. Where you can see the tap is on, the flowing water is going on the tap, on the tank. Yours and mine's, that is duty to saving the waters, because a single drop of water is very very precious for the next generation also. Understood? So do not waste the water. First one, we drink dirty water. No. We can drink sea water. No. We must drink lots of water. Yes. Plants need water to live. Yes. Animals will die without water. Animals will die without water. Yes. We must save every drop of water. Understood? We must save every drop of water. That is right. And value they are given in the box, that do not waste water. There will be a no word, no you or me, if there is no fresh water. Yes, the water is there, but we cannot drink the dirty water. We cannot drink the sea water. We cannot drink without filterization water, because water is there, but we have to drink that filter water, clean water. Yes or no? So the fresh water we have to we have to save a single drop of water. So do not waste water. There will be no word, no you or no me, if there is a no fresh water. Understood? Next, come to activity. Become a guardians of water. Make a baggages for yourselves and go round your houses and your school and see that no water is being wasted. Yes, just you check out or just where you are going there, just you have to see the school or house side or surroundings, see that no water is being wasted. Understood? Yes. Next, make up placards and put them like, do not waste water. Every drop of water is precious, and turn off the tap when not needed. Yes, that is only what I am said. Do not waste the water a single drop. That is, water is very important, very precious. Next, every drop of water is very, very precious, very, very important. So wherever you go, if it is turn on the tap, water is going and flowing, you have your duty is turn off the tap when we are not needed. Understood? And even also morning you are washing your teeth or washing your clothes, whatever, don't open the tap and washing. Please, for what purpose you needed, that much only you take that. Okay? If the cycle, bicycle, bike are washing, take a bucket or take one mug. Then only take a mug, or then only you use the mug or bucket. Don't take the pipes, because lots of water is wasted. Understood? Yes. If you have any doubts about this lesson, please call to me. Okay? Have a good day. Bye, children.